Okay, so a quick review. This is a review of this Compressor Freight Tools so-called 3 horsepower compressor that's supposed to only be 10 CFM. Well, it seems like it's a bit more than that when you have a 3450 motor and you have a large pulley. So if you have a pulley that's this big, probably that's a 4-inch pulley without measuring. Pretty sure that's what it is. The revolutions, you can check this stuff when you put it on your compressor motor. You know, you turn this one, turn it around, and for 1 revolution here, or 3 revolutions here, it's 1 and just about that much. So you start here and go around, and it goes about that much more than 1. So it ends up putting out, originally was a 15 CFM, but this compressor motor was the one that fit on the unit. The other 5 horsepower one had a giant wheel on it and would not fit here. I'd have to do some major modifications. So if you're looking at one of these from Compressor Freight Tools, you can probably be okay getting this one. I don't see really a whole lot of difference. It does have a little bit less CFM. I can tell it might be 1 CFM short of what it was, but it's tolerable and usable, and it does keep up with a spray gun that requires 15 CFM. So I don't see any issue there. So anyway, if you're worried about that, it does put out more than 10 if you have it set up that way, if it's like mine with a 4-inch pulley. I haven't yet looked for a 5-inch pulley, which would probably make it more close to where it was, but it does work really well, and the compressor, it just eliminated me from having to replace it right away. I may end up upgrading it eventually, but for now it's fine. All right, so I'll talk to you in the next video.